everybody, it's me, Marion Yau, Miss Footfix. I hope you guys are well. So we have this lovely patient, which we have an online consultation. She showed me a lovely picture of her feet, and it wasn't like this. So she's come in and she said, well, she didn't really say anything. And then I looked at it, I'm like, this is definitely worse. And what we can see is, green nail syndrome, which is that, and that's usually a pseudomonas infection. Then we have this bit here that's a bit yellow. And some might think, maybe that's a fungal infection. But it's not. That is when there's a bacterial infection and you don't take care of it and it spreads into the nail matrix. So I think there's some pus underneath there. And obviously you've got some fungus down here and fungus down up here. And this patient has used loads of treatments and obviously it hasn't worked. So what we're going to do today is clean this toe up. We're going to take some nails for sampling. And then what we're going to do is probably do nail surgery on it in the future. But the main thing is to treat the infection. So I'm not going to do a deep clean of the nail. I'm just really trying to remove as much of the infection because it's spreading and it's making the toe red. And she'll be on antibiotics today. Okay, so I already sprayed some antiseptic. I'll spray a little bit more. And let me just cut in. Okay, you ready? So soft. The nail is so soft.
I hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel.